The CINE RC Dolly Rail Accessory Package comes in 3 meter sections, consisting of 4 1.5 meter rails. It is a lightweight, easy to set up kit that turns your CINEGEARS RC car into a fluid action shot system. In fact, we think it is the most compact dolly rail system in the industry. Each rail is a cast aluminum piece, lightweight and extremely precise. It took us around 20 minutes to set up our 12-meter polo rail system. That includes adjusting the feet for uneven ground. For our setup, we used the CINEGEARS X model RC car with our custom rubber rail wheels. There are 2 sockets for the rails to accompany our different sized RC cars. Since we were using an FS7 with a zoom lens and the Ronin 2, we decided on using our large RC car. For best results, we recommend using our heavy-duty wire springs so that there is limited swinging of the camera system. Once we were done with filming, we kept the rails as sections, making the next setup much faster. The setup and teardown process can easily be done by only one person, allowing a small crew to get incredible footage. If you want to learn more about this system, check it out on our website at cinegears.com.